Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be making some migas for breakfast. So I have here a couple of corn tortillas. I'm going to tear them into small pieces. Then I'll drop them into a skillet with a little bit of oil. Let those fry up until they're crispy. Take long to get these good and crispy. Basically, you're just making homemade corn chips here. So I just drained the oil off of these, and I have got a couple of eggs here that I have scrambled. I'm just going to dump these in. And then I've got some sharp white New York cheddar. I'm going to dump a little of that in. We're going to let those eggs cook till they're scrambled and let the cheese melt. And that's it, guys. We're just going to throw it on a plate. Then I like to use this salsa verde over the top.